Today we will see about gas welding principle, working equipments, types of flame, application, advantages and disadvantages. Gas welding is a type of liquid state welding process in which fuel gases burns to generate heat. This heat is further used to melt interface surfaces of welding plates which are held together to form a joint. In this process, mostly oxyacetylene gas is used as fuel gas. This process can be done with or without help of filler material. If the filler material is used, it is fed directly into the weld area manually. If we talk about the principle of gas welding is a most important type of welding process. It is done by burning of fuel gases with the help of oxygen, which forms a concentrated flame of high temperature. This flame directly strikes the weld area and melts the weld surface and filler material. The melted part of welding plates diffused and create a weld joint after cooling. This welding method can be used to join most of common metals used in daily life. Next, we will see about the welding torch. Welding torches are most important part of gas welding. Both the fuel gas and oxygen gas at suitable pressure fed through hoses to the welding torch. There are valves for each gas which control the flow of gases inside the torch. Both gases mix there and form a flammable mixture. These gases ignite to burn at the nozzle. The fire flame flow through nozzle and strikes at welding plates. The nozzle thickness depends on the size of the welding plates and material to be welded. For proper burning of fuel, appropriate amount of oxygen required. This oxygen supplied by oxygen cylinder. A black line is used to indicate oxygen cylinder. Next is fuel gas cylinder. Gas cylinder is filled either by acetylene gas, hydrogen gas, natural gas or other flammable gas. The fuel gas selection depends on welding material. Mostly acetylene gas is used for all general purpose of welding. Normally these cylinders have maroon line to indicate it. Both oxygen and fuel gases are filled in cylinder at high pressure. These gases cannot use at this high pressure for welding, so a pressure regulator is used between flow. It supplies oxygen at pressure about 70 to 130 kilonewton per meter square and acetylene at 7 to 103 kilonewton per meter square to the welding torch. If we talk about the working of gas welding process is quite simpler compared to arc welding. The gas cylinder and oxygen cylinder connected to the welding torch through pressure regulators. Gas and oxygen supplied to the torch where they properly mixed. The flame is ignited by a striker. Take care of tip of torch is pointing downward. Now the flame is controlled through the valve situated in welding torch. The flame is set at natural flame or carburizing flame or oxidizing flame according to the welding condition. Now the welding torch moved along the line where joint to be created. This will melt the interface part and join them permanently. If we talk about the types of flame, there are three types of flame: natural flame, oxidizing flame and carburizing flame. In natural flame, as the name implies, this flame has equal amount of oxygen and acetylene by the volume. This flame burns fuel completely and does not produce any chemical effect on the metal to be welded. It is mostly used for welding mild steel, stainless steel, cast iron, etc. It produces little smoke. This flame has two zones. The inner zone has white in color and has temperature around 3100 degrees centigrade, and outer zone has blue color and have temperature about 1275 degrees centigrade. Next is carburizing flame. This flame has excess of fuel gas. This flame chemically reacts with metal and form metal carbide. Due to this reason, this flame does not use with metal which absorb carbon. This is smoky and quiet flame. This flame has three regions. The inner zone has white color, the intermediate zone which is red in color, and outer zone has blue color. The inner cone temperature is about 2900 degrees centigrade. This flame is used to weld medium carbon steel, nickel, etc. And in oxidizing flame, when the amount of acetylene reduces or amount of oxygen increases, the inner cone tends to disappear and the flame obtained is known as oxidizing flame. It is hotter than natural flame and has clearly defined two zones. The inner zone has very bright white color and has temperature of about 3300 degrees centigrade. The outer flame has blue in color. This flame is used to weld copper alloy like brass, bronze, etc. If we talk about the application of gas welding, it is used to join thin metal plates. It can use to join both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Gas welding mostly used in fabrication of sheet metal. It is widely used in automobile and aircraft industries. And if you talk about the advantages of gas welding, it is easy to compare, it is easy to operate and does not require high skill operator. Equipment cost is low compared to other welding process like MIG, TIG, etc. It can be used at site. Equipments are more portable than other type of welding. It can also be used as gas cutting. And disadvantages: it provides low surface finish. This process needs a finishing operation after welding. Gas welding have large heat affected zone which can cause change in mechanical properties of parent metal. Higher safety issue due to naked flame of high temperature. It is suitable only for soft and thin sheets. Slow metal joining rate. No shielding area which cause more welding defects.